Moved out of my parents' house into here, and it's been great having that independence. I haven't had my own place to myself in 5 years, so it was the best feeling ever. I just started to change my life for the better after I gave birth to him. I enrolled in college, I finished school. Well, while I was finishing school, I got offered to move into here. It's so important, just for your psyche. I would say just, having your own spot to call home. It helps so many people and families out. It just helps everybody who has been in a position where they can't afford the housing costs these days, and it's really a blessing. I feel like I achieved something that seemed so far to reach probably 2 years ago. It's just grateful. I actually went through and kept my word and finished school and got a career and what I had went to school for. I love what I do, and I love being a mom.